and we made it to Tombstone, and the first thing you come into town is Boot Hill. This is where Terry just keeps threatening to send me if I don't stop misbehaving. But first we had to deal with some RV issues.
Yeah, see all that right there?
Oh yeah.
You got battery acid.
Oh my gosh. I had gloves. I should have offered you some gloves. And there's acid down in the thing. We're not gonna upgrade our solar panels, but we are gonna upgrade our batteries. And we want to share with you, and then we'll keep you guys posted as to how well the lithium batteries work over the normal acid type batteries. So we've been at the FMCA convention. You guys have been seeing all that. One of the things is they've got lots of vendors here. So if you come to a convention, there's work crews that'll come and work on, I'm going to show you real quick. So our neighbors are getting his awnings replaced, and there's other type of vendors that will do services and repairs while you're here. But one of the things we wanted to do was up our boondocking game. So we have a 2022 Montana High Country fifth wheel, and it came with a couple solar panels and a lot of the stuff to do a little bit of boondocking. Yeah. But what happened when we tried to boondock here?
It didn't work.
Yeah.
We're using too much power.
Yeah, yeah. So we just have acid, the plain batteries, acid, batteries. We don't have lithium batteries, and we found that, yeah, it could run the LED lights, but if we tried to watch TV or whatever, none of the plugins would work. 2 years, those batteries have already got corrosion on the bolts and some other issues. So we had one of the solar companies come out and take a look at our setup, and we're going to show you what we're going to do today to improve our solar game. How excited is Miss Terry?
I'm very excited. Getting ready for Yellowstone.
Yeah, so why is that?
I don't want to have to call you home every day to start the generator.
So we work in the summer. I work in the summer in Yellowstone National Park, and at the beginning of the season it can get horrible with power outages. It takes them a while to get the electrical grid going and consistent at the beginning of the season, and so we were out power multiple times. I had the generator out there, but Miss Terry would always call me, and sometimes I was at work. Hey, can you come start the generator? And since she works full time, it's pretty critical that we have a seamless transition from power outage, that at least we have some basic plugins. So one of the benefits they told me was these are about half the weight of what I've got.
Yes.
So one of our concerns was weight. And
these are
how much is it? I mean, that's pretty light.
Yeah.
They're 27.
Yeah.
And your LED.
How much was that?
27 3/4.
Yeah, so elevation batteries.
Yeah,
okay. Sweet.
Get the other one.
We went with the pros at Solar Energy Systems, LLC, based out of Indiana, because they knew what they were doing and they guaranteed their labor and products. You can find their information in the description in the video below. Tell them Next Trekking Adventure sent you and get a little bit of a discount. So one of the things we're going to be able to do is get rid of this. So, weight's been one of our issues, and we're going to shed some weight.
So, Battleborn, internally, they're solder points.
Okay.
They were made as a marine battery originally. Right. Going down the road 60, 70 miles an hour and shaking, solder points have a tendency to break. Now,
okay.
Battleborn has an amazing warranty program,
right.
So if something ever does go wrong with their batteries, they're quick to switch. and help you guys out. Now, the internal components on the elevation is going to be nut and bolt construction. There's not a single solder point in that battery.
Okay.
On top of that, we do have a 12-year warranty on the elevation batteries as opposed to a 10, which is majority of companies. So most companies are going to prorate around 5-6 years. So 5-6 years of full replacement, and then prorate after that. The elevation, it's an 8-year full replacement, so that almost covers the entirety of a 10-year prorated warranty, and then it prorates at 25% for the next two, and then 50% for the last two. So,
and this may not be your wheelhouse, but how much do these batteries run? For somebody's going to upgrade, what's the cost on them?
$850.
$850. So, and I didn't price out Battleborn. What would be the?
They retail at $925.
So you're saving a little bit of money.
A little bit. Yep.
You've got, and not bashing Battleborn. A lot of people use them and they swear by them. These are a little bit cheaper,
and as well.
Yeah, you guys carry and save a little bit of money. 2 years more in warranty.
Yep.
Which, you know,
it matters.
It matters if you're going to be in your rig for 12 years, which a lot of people do.
Well, it's because that's what happens right there.
It will.
So
I can feel it because it's burning. It's burning my hands.
So they were leaking acid too.
Do you need something?
No,
it's just itchy.
It just itches a bit, and then it's.
So,
I was a painter for 16 years at Newmar, so I'm used to chemicals.
So that might be some of our problem.
Yeah, this one over here is worse. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm glad to be getting rid of them.
Yeah, see all that right there?
Oh yeah.
You got battery acid.
Oh my gosh. I had gloves. I should have offered you some gloves. And there's acid down in the thing. And pretty new batteries. So okay, give us a rundown on what we did and how this is going to solve all my not all my problems. I've got a lot of problems. You're not a doctor, are you?
It's going to solve your battery problems. Yeah, so we put in two 100 amp hour batteries. That's going to be 200 amp hours. It's full discharge, so that's 100% to zero.
Right.
We also put in the BMV 712, so that's going to be your shunt here.
Okay.
Communication cables running up to this guy right here. So when you're not using your phone for Bluetooth, what you can do is go through and see exactly what your battery percentages and stuff like that were. So right now you've got 13.94 volts. There it is. 2.91 amps is what's being drawn.
Okay.
41 watts is the other opposite to that of the amperage.
Okay. Amp
hours consumed. You're not consuming because you are charging.
So it's been climbing. I mean, I can use the app, and I'll show the app screen face, but it's been climbing. It started at like 13.3 or 3.79. Yeah, something like that. So it's at 13.95. So the solar panels or the plug-in are doing their job.
Both.
Right? Both.
Yep.
So, yay. And part of it, even though they're brand new batteries, you're telling me because of shipping laws, you can't ship fully charged lithium batteries.
Lithium should not be fully charged when you get it, correct.
So they come at somewhere around 50%.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Right. Yay, so hopefully this is going to solve some of our stuff. We've got some stuff we're going to have them send to Yellowstone, and we'll finish the install there. And then we headed to the Wild West town of Tombstone, and your first stop as you're coming into town is going to be Boot Hill.
Waters, and likely the TJ Waters, who was shot over the color of his shirt.
Shot by the color of his shirt. A judge in Tombstone died of overwork. I'm guessing from hanging people.
I don't want to die of overwork.
Okay, this is a bucket list thing for me. Tombstone. High noon. No, it's not high noon. But we're on the main street of Tombstone, bucket list, and we're going to show you some of the sights and sounds of Tombstone.
Yeah?
We just had our first drink at Doc Holliday's bar. That was pretty cool. We're going to take you around, show you some more stuff. We want to see the gunfight at the OK Corral. Okay, stay with us. The dirt streets of Tombstone and the raised wooden boardwalks give you that Wild West feel and look, and it just takes you back 100 years into the wild, wild west. What we really love about Tombstone is they really embrace their heritage of a western town with some sketchy past. The town's motto is "Too tough to die." Very fitting in this town where there was a lot of gunfights and a lot of hangings. Yeah. Yep, we even got to watch a gunfight outside of the OK Corral. A tourist with his squirt gun challenged one of the characters walking around town as one of the old western cowboys. They did the quick draw, and it was fun to watch. And then it was our time to go in to watch the reenactment of the shootout at the OK Corral. In my mind, the corral area was a lot bigger than it really was.
Cowboys looking for a fight? Now you've got it.
Up your hands, boys! We're here for your guns! Hold us over! Don't shoot! Wait! Quiet! Quiet! Holiday! You all play for blood? One, you huckleberry! That's just my game. Tom, give me some more.
I see you moving. Billy, give me that gun.
No, you take it. Let me die, wide. Hey, I got the sheriff. He's on it, Joe. No, Billy, no.
We are Next Trucking Adventures, and we hope that you've liked this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Follow our journeys as we head north to Yellowstone National Park for the season, and we'll see you
On our next trucking adventure.